In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up active ties in Monday.com. We'll walk through creating a new board using a template and getting it ready for your team step by step. First, open Monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar and choose Workspaces. This is where all your boards live. If your account has multiple workspaces, pick the one where this new activities board should belong so your teammates can find it easily later. Next, click the plus sign to create something new. When the menu appears, hover over Board. This shows you the different ways you can start a board. To save time and follow best practices, choose Start with Template. Templates give you a solid structure so you're not building everything from scratch. From here, select Browse All Templates to open the full library. You'll see categories to help narrow things down. Go into the General Templates section. It's a good place to find versatile options that work across teams. Use the search bar and type activities. This filters the results so you can quickly find what you need. For this walkthrough, select the Marketing Activities template. Even if you're not in marketing, this template is a great example because it already includes useful groups, statuses, owners, and timelines that you can adapt to many types of activities. Click Use Template to add it to your chosen workspace. Monday.com will generate the board for you in a few moments. Now, make your edits so it fits your workflow. Start by renaming the board to something clear and standardized, like team activities or a naming format your organization uses. Review the groups along the left side of the board. You can rename them to match phases such as planned, in progress, and completed, or any stages you prefer. Go through the columns and tailor them to your needs. Update the status labels to reflect your process. Assign owners so every activity has a responsible person, and adjust date or timeline columns to track deadlines. If you don't need a column, hide or delete it. If you're missing one, add it now. Replace any sample items with your real activities or duplicate one as a starting point to preserve formatting. Set permissions and sharing to control who can view or edit the board. As you customize, remember that changes save automatically, so you won't lose your work. When everything looks right, invite teammates to the board so they can start collaborating immediately, and you're all set.